Sick of seeing that empty PayPal balance when you want to snag that online deal? Let's fix that right now. First things first, make sure you have a Paysafecard with enough value to cover what you want to add to your PayPal account, plus any potential fees. You can buy these at many stores. Just look for the Paysafecard logo. Head over to the PayPal website and log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, navigate to your PayPal wallet. Look for an option that says add money or something similar. It's usually pretty easy to find. You'll see a list of ways to add money. Unfortunately, PayPal doesn't directly accept Paysafecard, but here's the workaround. Go to the MyPaysafe website and create an account. You will need to verify your ID for security reasons. After ID is confirmed, you can upgrade your Paysafecard account and link your bank account for extra features. Now that you have successfully verified your account, you can add money from your Paysafecard to your MyPaysafe account. Finally, you can send money from MyPaysafe to PayPal. Simply enter the required details such as the amount you want to transfer and your PayPal email address. And that's it. You've successfully added money to your PayPal account using Paysafecard. Now go treat yourself.